Hey everybody, it's Renee here, just bringing you a fast video today to show you this cute little book I made using the Simple Stories Feelin Frosty line. I decided to cut out a bunch of snowmen with my Silhouette Cameo and do it that way. And I thought it might be kind of cool, so I'm going to show you how I did this. First of all, because I'm going to take this apart, I used some eyelets just to make sure that it didn't rip or fall out, and I put a binder clip in. So I'm going to take the binder clip off right now so I can show you the individual pages. So here we go. I'll just put them aside and pull them individually. So this was kind of my cover, if you will. I outlined all of the pages for the most part with a black pen, and I also inked the edges. So I just used some Tim Holtz. I believe it was Dusty Concord, and on some of them I used black soot. So this is the front, and I just have some foam stickers there and some regular stickers and some puffy stickers. So then to flip that over, I have some washi tape and some stickers. And with these I thought you could add little pictures. If you have a selfie or an Epson Photo Smart, you could put little pictures on here, or journaling, or whatever you want. So my next page, this one, I really like this with the dots. It's very cool. This was one of the little, I guess, it was on the index cards or the journaling cards that you could cut out. So I put that on there. And then this was the tag sheet, and I just added a little bit of stickles where the whipped cream is. And you could pop that out with a hole punch and put some ribbon, and I might do that, I just haven't done it yet. And then just a puffy sticker. So you flip that over, and stickers, and this was part of the die cuts. And you can still put pictures in here and whatnot, and I do plan on doing that. This one was a fun one because I used a little bit of mixed media. I used Tim Holtz's mica sprays, and I blotted those on there, and some stickers and die cuts. And then up here, I just used my Posca pen, and I colored in the snowman's hat. So I don't know if you can see all the mica spray. So on the other side, this is again part of that sheet that you can cut apart, the journaling sheet with some washi and some die cuts and some stickers. This one, again, die cuts and some stickers, and then I left kind of a photo mat for where I will put my picture once I print it. And it seems only fitting right now as it's snowing outside that I'm showing you this. So this one, it's a lot of snowmen with another little photo mat for your picture and some puffy stickers. This one was just a sheet that came with a collection, and I cut it out with some die cuts and your photo mat. This one, some stickers with your photo mat. I really love this paper. It's really cool. Yeah, very neat line. I love working with this line. This one I thought was kind of cool because it's from the tag sheet, but I scored this side and then tacked that down with some Sukwang and just put the moose on that side. This is foam squared, and then that's just a sticker. Flip that over, and I just put a color coordinating clip with some of the parts of that page, the journaling page, and I inked around those and tacked that on. This one is very neat with the stripes and the plaid, and I just put some stickers, and originally I had dots as if it were Frosty's dots on his front, and then just added the lines in there and the stickers. This one, I foam squared a bunch of the sheets, part of that tag sheet, or the journaling sheet, with some washi. This one, I used a black photo mat, and those are part of the die cuts that come in the package, and I foam squared those. And this one, I thought, you know what, I will maybe have a little bit on one side and on the other of the foliage on the outside, making it look like those are Frosty's arms. Oh, we have two sheets here. This side I haven't put anything yet because I will be putting a picture. I just haven't put the picture on yet. So We will get to that soon. This one I really, really like. Those are just the Let It Snow stickers that came with the collection. And if you look really close, I stickled the middle of the snowflakes. So there's some nice shimmery goodness there. This side I just left because again it will have pictures, but that has not been done yet. This one, I really like this. I painted some white paint, and you could use any white paint, but I used the Paper Artsy chalk paint in chalk. And I painted that there and used some stickles, I'll show you, with some stickers from the line and some puffy stickers. This is a die cut, and I just foam squared that on. So that's how that looks. And then on the other side, I'm leaving that for pictures as well. So that one has not been done yet. And then this is our last one, and I thought I should probably finish this with an actual snowman. So I drew a little bit of a face on there with some Nouveau drops, made some arms, and then some dots here, and that will be another place for a picture. So that is our snowman made with Simple Stories Feelin Frosty line. And I really love this line. I will be making, because I have a lot of the papers for it, some layouts with this line as well, because it's just such a gorgeous line. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit that bell notification so you get the videos as soon as they're made available, and you will see those layouts coming very soon. Also, don't forget to like my Facebook page, check out those links down below, and leave me some comments. I love to hear feedback from you. Have an awesome day, and thanks for watching.